Good morning. I'm Don Martin again. Somebody asked me a short time ago what would be the basic difference between being in the MLS and just running a newspaper ad, the way that a lot of people have sold cars and lawnmowers and things like that forever. Uh, the difference is pretty profound. Flat fee MLS, for instance, a flat fee MLS is something that is used by a lot of for sale by owners that are selling their house. They use a flat fee MLS rather than pledging a big commission to a traditional type realtor. So let's say a flat fee MLS versus a newspaper ad. With the MLS and the paper difference, the paper, you're dealing with readership of the paper, the number of people that put their eyes on that paper. And when you get back to the real estate area, the real estate section, classifieds, whatever, uh, I guess you get into motive. Why are people looking in that section? They're looking in that section because they want a house to buy. The question is the number of people in that section, as a number or a percentage of their total readership, is fairly low. The price can be sometimes high. The price for just a 1 day listing in the newspaper is, it depends on your perspective, but I think it's fairly high. You can get a 1 day or 10 days worth of running your ad in the newspaper. You can get a weekend. There's several different combinations and permutations, but they're pretty pricey. And when they're done, whether it's 1 day or 10 days. The MLS does not deal with that same sort of viewership. The viewership of the MLS are brokers and realtors. They have to be members of the organization, members of that MLS organization, to look at that information. And the reason they look at that information is to help people purchase houses. So the why of the eyes on that information in the MLS, they're looking for what's there. They're not just looking for a dining room table and happen to look at the car section to see if there's any sharp Camaros on sale. They're there looking for a house. The cost of the MLS is, if you go in a flat fee service, you'll pay a one-time fee up front, and you'll offer a commission to a buyer's agent that might be involved with the transaction. But the actual purchase price of an MLS listing is really very inexpensive compared to the number of eyeballs that you get, uh, and the reason why they're looking at your listing. So it's a lot more bang for your buck, I guess you would say. All MLSs are at the local area, the geographically local area. They're not just national. They are people that are looking for your house. So it's a good investment. If you want to learn more, I'm with thereasonablerealtor.com, thereasonablerealtor.com. There's going to be a link down below for you to get there very quickly, very easily. There's going to be a red square over here. If you like this information, please go ahead and subscribe to this video channel. I would appreciate that a lot. If you have questions, type them in down below here. That'd be great. I'd get to them just as quick as I can. My name is Don, and I do appreciate your time for today.